Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the keyboard and getting your MacBook ready. Make sure the keyboard is in pairing mode or connected by USB. This is the immediate step. On your MacBook, open Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Bluetooth. Keep that pane open so you can watch devices appear. If you're using a wired keyboard, plug it into a USB-C port or use the correct adapter, because detection happens as soon as a physical link is present. Once done, scan the Bluetooth list and click your keyboard's name when it appears. That starts the handshake. If Mac OS shows a numeric pairing code, type it on the keyboard and press Enter. That verifies the connection securely. After pairing, open Settings right arrow keyboard to tweak layout, repeat delay, and modifier key mapping so everything feels natural. Make sure to let the keys finish any firmware update. It may take a minute and prevents hiccups later. To finish, type through a document and try special keys to confirm full functionality, and check battery percentage in Bluetooth settings so you avoid sudden dropouts. If Bluetooth won't connect, plug the keyboard in via USB to isolate wireless issues. Then restart your MacBook and toggle Bluetooth off and on to reset discovery. If things go wrong, unpair and repair the device. Replace batteries or perform an SMC/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.